Mindfulness is the practice of deliberately focusing your attention on the present moment, fully engaging with your thoughts, feelings, and experiences as they unfold. It involves developing a non-judgmental awareness of your inner and outer world. By observing your thoughts and sensations without becoming entangled in them, you can cultivate clarity, calmness, and self-awareness. Mindfulness is not just a buzzword or a passing trend. It is a time-tested philosophy and a powerful tool that can help us unlock our full potential, enhance our well-being, and bring about positive change in our lives. Mindfulness is not about becoming a mystic, a guru, or a meditation expert. It is about becoming the best version of yourself and living a life that is rich, meaningful, and fulfilling. So, what is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. It is about paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and experiences without judgment. In a world that is constantly moving at breakneck speed, where distractions are a constant companion, mindfulness is a lifeline that allows us to anchor ourselves in the present and appreciate the beauty of each moment. The power of mindfulness lies in its ability to help us break free from the shackles of the past and the anxieties of the future. It enables us to truly live in the here and now, where life is happening. It's about savoring the taste of your morning coffee, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, and listening attentively to the people you meet. When you practice mindfulness, you'll discover that life is not a series of fleeting moments, but a continuous and beautiful flow of experiences. Benefits of mindfulness: stress reduction. Mindfulness has been proven to reduce stress levels by promoting relaxation, decreasing anxiety, and enhancing your ability to cope with challenging situations. It enables us to step back from the constant stream of thoughts and worries, creating space for increased mental and emotional resilience, improved mental health. Regular mindfulness practice has been associated with improved mental health outcomes, including decreased symptoms of depression and anxiety. It encourages a positive and compassionate attitude towards oneself and others, fostering emotional well-being and overall happiness. Incorporating mindfulness into our everyday lives is not a lofty goal. It's a practical and achievable endeavor. Here's how you can begin. Mindful morning rituals. Begin your day with intention and awareness by incorporating mindful rituals into your morning routine. Take a few moments to focus on your breath, set positive intentions for the day, and engage in activities such as mindful stretching, sipping a cup of tea or coffee with full presence, or journaling your thoughts and gratitude. Mindful eating. Transform your relationship with food by practicing mindful eating. Slow down, savor each bite, and pay attention to the flavors, textures, and smells. Engage all your senses and bring your full awareness to the nourishment and pleasure that food provides. This practice can enhance digestion, promote healthier food choices, and foster a deeper connection with the present moment. Mindful movement. Engage in physical activities with mindfulness to deepen your mind-body connection. Whether it's yoga, walking, or any form of exercise, bring your attention to the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the present moment. Notice the way your body moves and the way it feels. This practice not only enhances physical well-being but also cultivates a sense of inner calm and focus. Mindful communication. Practice mindful communication by being fully present during conversations. Listen attentively to others without judgment or anticipation of your response. Allow space for meaningful dialogue, empathy, and understanding. Notice your own words and intentions, speaking with mindfulness and kindness. Mindful moments of pause. Throughout the day, create moments of pause to reconnect with the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, observe your surroundings, and bring your attention to the sensations in your body. This simple act of pausing and grounding yourself can help release stress, increase self-awareness, and bring a sense of calmness amidst the busyness of life. Mindfulness in daily tasks. Approach routine tasks with mindfulness, infusing them with purpose and attention. Whether it's washing dishes, tidying up your living space, or engaging in personal hygiene, bring awareness to each action. Notice the sensory details, the movements, and the sensations involved. This transforms mundane activities into opportunities for self-care and inner stillness. Gratitude. Every day, take a moment to reflect on the things you're grateful for. This practice can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. Self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a dear friend. Be gentle with yourself, especially in moments of difficulty. But perhaps the most compelling reason to embrace mindfulness in everyday life is that it allows you to live a life that is rich in meaning and purpose. It brings clarity to your values and helps you make choices that align with your true self. When you are mindful, you connect with the essence of who you are, and from that place of authenticity, you can create a life that resonates with your heart's desires. The practice of mindfulness is not a destination but a lifelong journey. It's not about achieving perfection, but about progress. It's about realizing that every moment you're alive is an opportunity to live your life to the fullest. So, I urge you all to embrace mindfulness in your everyday life. For in doing so, you will unlock your own potential, enrich your experiences, and ultimately, find the true joy and purpose that life has to offer. Mindfulness is not just a practice, it's a path to a life well lived. Start your journey today, and you'll be amazed at the transformative power it holds. Thank you.